fresh tobacco. Y'all look at everything. Y'all look at everything. Vegetables, vinegar, onions, salt, fish. I'm in my own zone right now, guys, vlogging. Look at that. $200. Yes. What do you think? Expensive? Dice que está caro, so. More fish. Right now. Look at all that fish, guys.
Chicken.
Yeah, chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken is better. Just cook it noodle style, no? Or you want to just fry it? No, just fry it. One right here. But we're gonna get some chicken. Look at all the dry fish. All the dry fish. Look at all the dry fish and stuff. Alright, so we're gonna buy some chicken over here.